In this strategy today, I'll show you how you can make money online fast and passively. It is absolutely free and also beginner friendly, so everyone can try it out. You can do it from your smartphone device, laptop or computer. If you're interested and want to see how to make it work properly, then make sure to follow me step by step till the end of this video and stay tuned because I'll show you how you can maximize your results. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel, add in Emia's World with notifications on so you won't miss any future video to come, since I'll notify you whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. First of all, as always, I would like to show you proof that this actually works and this is worth your time. So you can see here all these people that are getting paid every single day. These are all instant PayPal payments and these guys are receiving again and again money. And you can see that this is one page out of 34,000. So there are a lot of people that are being paid with this app, but they don't have the automation tool which I'm about to share with you in this tutorial. That's why they're only making a couple of dollars here and there, but for you that's going to be super easy because the automation tool is going to help you maximize your results for free. So these are the payment proofs to show you that this platform is legit. Another thing that I want to show you is that they have paid out their members over $4 million, as you can see right here. And they offer fast payments within 24 hours, meaning that you can literally start making money today, even if this is your first trying to make money online. So you can still do it and get paid within 24 hours. They have a low cash out threshold, and this means that you don't need to make hundreds of dollars to cash out. You can literally request your payment as soon as you have a couple of bucks into your account. You can work from home and you'll get 20 cents the join bonus, which may not seem like a lot, but it's a really nice gift from them. So you'll obviously just sign up for less than 60 seconds and you'll be able to get 20 cents for free. And as you can see right here, they offer different payment options, so you can collect their payments through PayPal. You can also get the Tango gift cards, Amazon gift cards. You can get paid through Skrill and also Bitcoin if you like cryptocurrency. So you can select which payment option suits you the most and then use that. I personally prefer to use PayPal. Now I guess you saw these surveys offers here, but don't worry, you'll not have to complete that if you don't want to, because there is one feature of this website that it's going to allow you to make money without completing surveys and offers. And the external tool, which I'm about to share with you inside of this tutorial, will help you to set everything on autopilot and do all of the work for you. With that said, step number 1 is going to be to join for absolutely free, and then you'll get a 20 cents bonus start, as you can see right here. Then you're going to take part in surveys and offers. You can make money by taking part in paid surveys. They have hundreds of new surveys available every day. You can also earn money by watching videos and completing paid offers, which is much better than taking surveys. But as I said, if you don't want to, you don't have to do this. I'm going to show you another feature. And then you'll get paid. That's the 3 different steps, and most of these payments are paid within 8 hours, as you can see here, via PayPal, Bitcoin and Skrill. Or you can exchange your points for Tango gift cards, which can be used also at popular retailers such as Amazon, Starbucks and so on. Now the platform in question is called superpay.me. And you can just come over here and you can read more about them and how people are making money with it. Down here you can see that you can earn cash. They will reward you for completing paid surveys and online offers, and you're going to redeem your cash using the payment methods that we saw before. You can even earn points, watch videos, take part in paid trials, surveys and offers to earn points, and also you can earn free gift cards as we saw before. Right here you're going to see that you can work from home at a location and time that suits you the best. You can share your opinion with the brands that you love and so on. You're going to see here more about them. They have paid out more than 3 million to their members since 2012. So they've been around for quite some time, and this shows that how legit this platform is. Here you can also see some of the reviews, which as you can see they are excellent. So also this shows that this is a legit platform. If you want to see the payment proof by yourself, just as I showed you at the beginning of this video, you can just click on payment proof up here, and it's going to show you all of these people that are getting paid again and again with this website. So before you start using the automation bot, which is going to do all of the work for you, I want you to click on the join free today button right here. So you're going to register for absolutely free, just like you always do. So you'll enter your name, you'll enter your email address, you're going to create a username, a password, and then you're going to select the payment option. As I said, how you're going to get paid. If you want to get paid through PayPal, you're going to enter your PayPal email address. You're also going to have different cash contents, as you can see right here, and promo codes, and I highly recommend you check out those contests as well, because they can make you a lot of money. Anyway, how you'll be making money if you're not going to complete those surveys or those paid offers? So, well, it's through the use of their referral program. Actually, here you're going to see that you can make how money you're going to make, and you can make up to 25% of your referral earnings. So if you refer someone and they sign up for free and they start making money by completing surveys, offers, and so on, you'll be making 20% of whatever they make. They'll not lose any money. If they make like $1,000, they'll still keep their money, but you're just going to get $250 extra for free as bonus just for referring them. And it's a lot easier to refer someone to a platform where they can sign up for free and where they can make money than it's to just sell them something or to make them sign up to some paid offer. So what you need to do is that you're going to grab your referral link once you sign up, and then you're going to go over to this automation tool that I'm going to show you that you can make money passively. And this is over at Hercules.com. This is a platform that will allow you to advertise to thousands of people daily for free. So you can, with one click of a button, send out an email with your referral link to thousands of people all around the world for absolutely free. This is a trusted service, 100% real traffic, and so there are real people that are going to get those emails from you, including your referral link. And you can do so even with your smartphone device only. Just sign up for free to Hercules by clicking on the sign up button here, get started. You're also going to get a $5 sign up bonus, and then you're going to submit your ad in less than 60 seconds. You just literally need to create a call to action and leave your referral link there. They'll be sending that out for free to 1,000 different people all around the world. So I really hope you followed me till the end of this video and got every instruction right. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.